Welcome to my channel, where luxury meets innovation, and today we're diving into something so extravagant, so futuristic, and so breathtaking, it blurs the line between road travel and royal living. Imagine stepping inside a Lamborghini, but not the sleek sports car you know. This is the 2026 Lamborghini Luxury Motorhome, a rolling palace that makes even millionaires feel like they need to level up. This isn't just transportation. It's a masterpiece of Italian engineering and world-class design, fused into one of the most advanced motorhomes ever built. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is more than a vehicle. It's a moving luxury villa on wheels. Crafted with Lamborghini's signature sharp edges, aerodynamic style, and bold lines, it immediately demands attention on the road. The front grille and LED lighting echo the DNA of a Lamborghini supercar, while its massive body is sculpted to perfection. Inside, every inch whispers sophistication with hand-stitched Italian leather, carbon fiber accents, and ambient lighting that transforms the mood at the touch of a button. This motorhome offers more than comfort. It offers a lifestyle statement combining power, prestige, and unmatched luxury. It's not just a motorhome. It's Lamborghini redefining freedom on wheels. Step into the kitchen, and you'll instantly feel like you've entered a Michelin-starred restaurant. Lamborghini designed the 2026 kitchen with precision and class, offering a sleek marble countertop that glows under the LED accents. Smart appliances are seamlessly integrated, from a touch-control induction cooktop to a hidden refrigerator that blends into the cabinetry. There's even a temperature-controlled wine cooler for connoisseurs who refuse to compromise. Every drawer opens with soft close precision, revealing custom cutlery storage lined with suede. The oven and microwave are voice-controlled, connecting directly to the motorhome's AI assistant. Lamborghini even integrated a self-cleaning system that makes maintaining this luxury space effortless. The faucet shines with brushed gold, offering both filtered water and sparkling water on demand. The dining setup unfolds like origami, transforming into a full table with Lamborghini logos embossed on the seats. Even while cooking, you're surrounded by the artistry of Italian design, blending utility with jaw-dropping elegance. Move into the bedroom, and you'll be left speechless. The Lamborghini Motorhome features a king-size floating bed suspended with hidden supports, glowing with underbed ambient lights. The headboard is handcrafted leather stitched with the iconic Lamborghini crest. Above, a panoramic skylight opens to the stars, offering unforgettable nights under the sky. The wardrobes are walk-in style, lined with mirrors and automated lighting. Temperature zones allow you to sleep in absolute comfort, whether you prefer warmth or cool breezes. A retractable 8K OLED screen slides out of the wall, offering theater-quality entertainment right from your bed. The bedding itself is a custom blend of silk and organic cotton, hand-picked for Lamborghini's luxury standards. Every corner of this bedroom is soundproofed, ensuring total privacy and peace. From hidden safes to built-in charging docks, everything is tailored to the modern luxury traveler. Lamborghini didn't just build a bedroom, they built a sanctuary. Step into the bathroom and you're greeted by a spa that could rival five-star hotels. Polished marble floors and gold-trimmed fixtures instantly create an atmosphere of indulgence. The rainfall shower has customizable water temperature, pressure, and even aromatherapy functions. A deep soaking tub with LED lighting allows you to relax after long journeys, while the mirror transforms into a smart screen with health tracking, news, or entertainment. Lamborghini included heated floors, towel warmers, and even a self-sanitizing system that keeps everything pristine. The sinks are crafted from crystal, with touchless faucets that glow in soft ambient hues. Storage hides behind seamless panels, giving the bathroom a futuristic and minimalistic look. Lamborghini didn't just create a bathroom, they created a wellness retreat on wheels, where every moment feels like pampering at the highest level. Once again, the kitchen shines as the heart of this motorhome. From its marble counters to its futuristic appliances, it blends function and Lamborghini elegance in every detail. The bedroom again sets itself apart with its luxurious floating bed, theater-like entertainment, and skylight views of the stars. The bathroom continues to amaze with its spa-level features, transforming daily routines into luxurious experiences. And finally, when you step back into the motorhome as a whole, you realize this is not just a vehicle. It's Lamborghini rewriting the definition of luxury travel. Kitchen. The kitchen once again proves Lamborghini's mastery in blending innovation with elegance. Compact yet lavish, it's designed for effortless gourmet cooking. From the sparkling water tap to the voice-controlled oven, it's every chef's dream. Even while on the move, meals here feel like dining in a five-star restaurant. For Teddy, the bedroom continues to impress, offering peace, technology, and romance under one roof. The floating bed and panoramic skylight elevate every night into an unforgettable memory. It's a true Lamborghini-style retreat for rest and rejuvenation. Bathroom in the bathroom, luxury feels endless. The rainfall shower, the crystal sinks, and the self-sanitizing systems remind you that even small moments matter. Lamborghini makes sure every corner whispers elegance. Lamborghini Motorhome, 8 lines. And when we step back, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome proves to be the pinnacle of road luxury. It's bold, futuristic, and dripping with elegance. This isn't just travel, it's a lifestyle. Lamborghini has turned the road into a runway for millionaires, and even they feel humbled. Ending. There you have it. The 2026 Lamborghini Luxury Motorhome. A breathtaking masterpiece that blends Italian supercar DNA with unmatched comfort and technology. From the kitchen to the bedroom to the bathroom, every corner defines luxury on wheels. If you thought Lamborghini was only about speed, this motorhome proves they're about lifestyle, innovation, and absolute indulgence. If you enjoyed this tour into the future of road luxury, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more mind-blowing reviews. Until next time, keep dreaming big, because with Lamborghini, luxury has no limits.